In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a new folder in Google Drive. By the end, you'll have a new clearly named folder added to your drive, ready to organize your files. First, click New. You'll find the New button at the top left of the Google Drive screen. Click it once to open the menu. Next, click Folder. In the menu that appears, choose Folder to start creating a new folder. This opens a small window where you can name it. Now, enter Name. Click into the name field and type the folder name you want to use. Keep the name short and descriptive so you can find it easily later. If you change your mind, you can always rename the folder afterwards, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. Then click Create. This confirms your choice and adds the folder to your drive. After a moment, you'll see the new folder appear in your file list. If your view is sorted by last modified, it may show near the top. If you're using a different sort, just scroll to find it by the name you entered. If Create is grayed out, make sure the name field isn't empty, then click Create again. That's it. Your new folder in Google Drive is created and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.